Hello and welcome back to WorldJourney. Today we will discover mesmerizing beauty of Sweden. Sweden is a country known for its remarkable beauty and diverse landscapes. Located on the Scandinavian peninsula in northern Europe, Sweden offers breathtaking natural scenery, charming towns, and a rich cultural heritage. Here is a detailed description of the beauty of Sweden. Natural landscapes. Sweden is blessed with stunning natural landscapes that captivate visitors. The country features vast forests, picturesque lakes, pristine coastlines, and majestic mountains. The Swedish countryside offers a serene and tranquil atmosphere, with endless opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and skiing. Archipelago. The Swedish archipelago is an enchanting wonder, offering a unique blend of rocky islands, sandy beaches, and crystal-clear waters. The Stockholm archipelago, located near the capital city, is the largest archipelago in Sweden and one of the most beautiful in the world. It encompasses over 30,000 islands and islets, each with its own distinct character and charm. Exploring the archipelago by boat allows visitors to discover hidden gems, secluded beaches, and picturesque harbors. Stockholm, the capital city of Sweden, Stockholm is often referred to as the Venice of the North due to its intricate network of canals and waterways. This vibrant city combines modernity with history, as it is built on 14 islands connected by numerous bridges. Visitors can explore the historic Gamla Stan, Old Town, visit the Royal Palace, or wander through the beautiful parks and gardens. Northern Lights. Sweden's northernmost regions, such as Swedish Lapland, offer a chance to witness the mesmerizing northern lights, aurora borealis. This natural phenomenon, where colorful lights dance across the night sky, is a truly magical experience. During the winter months, visitors can embark on Northern Lights tours, husky sledding adventures, or stay in cozy ice hotels to enhance their chances of witnessing this breathtaking spectacle. National Parks. Sweden is home to several national parks that showcase the country's pristine wilderness. Abisko National Park, located in Swedish Lapland, offers majestic mountain landscapes, deep valleys, and stunning views of the northern lights. Sarek National Park, known for its rugged mountains and vast wilderness, is a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Cultural heritage. Sweden has a rich cultural heritage that is reflected in its architecture, traditions, and art. The country has a long history dating back to Viking times, and remnants of this era can still be seen in various archaeological sites and museums. In conclusion, Sweden's beauty lies in its diverse and captivating landscapes, from the enchanting archipelagos to the untouched wilderness of its national parks. The country's cultural heritage and its harmonious blend of natural and man-made wonders make it a truly remarkable destination. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel WorldJourney for more.